Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So from today onward we are going to study about data mining. Before learning about this concept, if you are new to our channel, please like, share and comment. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe it. So let's learn. So what is data mining? Data mining is composed of two words like data and mining. So the first term is data, which means it is a raw fact and a figure. And what mining is, mining means extracting something from somewhere. So basically when we are going to combine these two terms, we get a single word, that is data mining. So data mining means is to extract information from a large amount of data. So let's learn about what is data mining, or introduction to data mining. So basically, data mining is the process of discovering information or mining knowledge from a large amount of data, or we can say that it's a process of extracting useful information from bulk of data. So basically the overall goal of data mining process is to extract information from a data set and transform it into a understandable structure for further use. For example, company use data mining software to learn more about their customers, because it can help them to develop their customers, and it can help them to develop more effective marketing strategies, increase sales, because every company is more and more discussing about their sales, and they want to gain more and more sales. That's the reason they are using data mining. Data mining is also known as KDD. What KDD is, we are going to learn about KDD in our next videos or in our upcoming videos. KDD stands for knowledge discovery in database. So the major objective of data mining is to extract information from a data set and put it in an understandable structure for later use. Whenever you need it, you can use it. So this is the main function or main objective of data mining. So the second thing is, now we are going to discuss about what are the advantages of disadvantages of data mining. So let's learn about our advantages. So there are a lot of advantages, but we are going to discuss about few one. So the first advantage we have is marketing or retailing. So direct marketers can benefit from data mining by providing precise and helpful trend regarding the target audience purchase habits. So these trends enables marketer to target their target market, and market and more precisely with the market efforts. So for a consumer with a long history of purchasing software, a software company marketing may promote its new product. So it is basically based what the customer is buying, so they are going to make that product that will help them to gain more and more customers or increase their sales. It will help in the marketing or retailing strategy. So the second advantage is in banking or crediting. As we know, financial companies can benefit from data mining in areas like credit, documentation, and loan records. A bank, for instance, or we can say a bank, for example, can determine the degree of risk associated with each specific loan by assessing prior consumer who share comparable features. Which means if we are gonna take a loan, we can search what the that person who is taking loan, what their background is, what is their search history. If they have some kind of asset, through their this they are going to take loan, or he if that person is able to pay that loan or not. So it will help in banking or crediting field as well. So the third example we have is a manufacturing. So what manufacturing is, manufacturing, or it means we have a company. Let's take an example of a company or a manufacturer can support effective equipments and establish the best control parameter by using data mining on operational engine or the other thing. Let's talk about the other advantage is the customer identification. Customer identification means every consumer in the market is unique in this way. Someone is using healthcare product, And there are a lot of customers or a lot of consumers in the market. Somehow everyone is using different product in their ways, so as a result it is easier to comprehend their preferences with the right methodology. Businesses may better identify their client with data mining, the likelihood of that they will be their products. So it will help in customer identification as well, because they know which product is the consumer preference, or which consumer is our or which is not, and what we have to improve to make sales or increase our sales. The main reason of doing data mining or using data mining is that in a business, in every field, to increase the consumers or increase the sales of that particular company. This is the reason why data mining is used. Let's discuss about the detecting criminal activity. Yes. So the one I found it very useful, that it that detecting criminal activity. Government and other institutions can use market analysis data to identify criminal activities. So the best use of data mining is to detect criminal activity. It help us, it help government, it help everyone. And the next advantage is marketing techniques. Business can build data models using data mining approaches, and they could quickly determine which people would be interested in their product using these models. Yes, so in marketing techniques, like that people know which people would be interested in our product or which is not. So this is the advantages that we discussed. Now we are going to discuss about our disadvantages. So what is the disadvantages of data mining? The first one is a privacy issue. Business gather data about the customer in various way to understand the trend in the habits trend and the habits. People worry that their personal information will be collected and used unethically, so it can create a security or privacy issue, because sometimes data thefting is happened because of this, and some people lost their privacy because of this. And second disadvantage is the safety concern. A major concern in security or social security numbers, birthdays, salary information, and other details about customers and employees are owned by businesses. Means large corporation like food, motor, credit company, uh, anything. Hackers can access your data. Whatever website you are using, they can access it and steal your large amount of data from that company, and it will help. It will gonna affect you. And this is the second disadvantage of data mining. Third one is expensive, because a particular expensive procedure in data mining is for data mining. Business need to hire more staff and technical expert to ensure data mining is done properly. So this one is expensive. Other disadvantages: large databases are need for data mining. Yes, like we discussed earlier, that data mining is composed of two words, data and mining. So data means there is a large amount of data or a bulk of data. Um, so large databases are need for data mining, so it will affect tools and other things. It will create challenges. So this is the huge disadvantage and of data sets to be for data mining to be effective. So these are the disadvantages we discuss. Now we will see data mining follow some patterns or similar patterns. So the first thing is data is collected and stored on physical or cloud server by an organization. The information can be gathered directly or indirectly through tracking using user activities. Management will decide which pattern they wish to search for in the unprocessed data, and it is forwarded to appropriate technical team who ensure that data is processed correctly for further use. And the last but not the least, the data is arranged and displayed in an easy to understand manner, which is a commonly a chart or a graph. So like we know that data can contain a lot of data. I mean, there are different things it contains. I mean, there is a collection of row, fact and figure. It can be of audio type, it can be of video type. I mean, there are a lot kind of data that that is collected. So this is the topic we have discussed, and the thing we discussed here is the what is data mining, and second thing is the advantages and disadvantages and some similar patterns of data mining. So let's revise our topic. So basically what data mining is. Data mining, like I told you, data mining is a composed of two words, data and mining, which means data stands for, it is a collection of a row, fact and figure, and it can be of any type like video, audio, charts, graph, whatever type of data it is. And mining means extracting information or extracting something from somewhere. So when we are going to combine these two terms, we get a term that is it is data mining means to extract information from a bulk of a data. So this is data mining is. And after data mining introduction, we have learned that what is the advantages and disadvantages of data mining. So the first advantage we have learned few one. So let's discuss. The first one is the marketing and retailing. The banking and crediting is the second one. Third one is the manufacturing. Fourth one is the customer identification. Fifth one is detecting criminal activity, and the last one is the market techniques. And now we are going to revise our disadvantages of data mining. So there are four types of disadvantage. There are a lot more disadvantages of data mining, because if some everything has some cons and some pros. So it means if something is is on good term, it also come as a bad term as well. So the disadvantages we got is the first one is a privacy issue, the second one is a safety concern, third one it's expensive, and fourth one we have discussed that large databases are need for data mining. And we have also discussed about some similar patterns of that data mining follow. The thing we discussed that data is arranged and displayed in easy to understand manner, which means it is in the form of a chart or graph. And the second thing is data is collected and stored on physical or cloud server by an organization. So information can be gathered directly or indirectly through tracking user activity. Sorry for the noise. Management will also decide which pattern they wish to search for in the unpossessed data. So these are the concepts we are discussed today. Hopefully you like this video. So if you like this video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.